Okay, hi Astha. Welcome to discussion. I am Saksham Sharma from Career Kunj. आस्था हम लोग एक कोशिश कर रहे हैं करियर कुंज प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू कि लोगों से बात की जाए, ऐसे लोगों का इंटरव्यू लिया जाए जो कि एक दूसरे बच्चों के लिए जो कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं या और कहीं पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं उनके लिए एक रोल मॉडल हो, एक उनके लिए इंस्पिरेशन हो। आस्था, आपने अभी रिसेंटली टीसीएस इग्नाइट हायरिंग के थ्रू जॉइनिंग टीसीएस में ली है और आप भोपाल से हैं और आपने भोपाल से जाके चेन्नई में ज्वाइन किया है। तो आई थिंक आपने जो जर्नी अभी तक पास करी है वो बहुत लोगों के लिए इंस्पिरेशन हो सकती है। तो मैं मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू होस्ट यू टुडे आस्था। सो फर्स्टली, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
First of all, good evening. I am good here and thank you for presenting me here.
ब्यूटीफुल। सो आस्था, लाइक मैंने तो आपको एक शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, लेकिन आपके बारे में आप ही बहुत अच्छे से बता सकते हैं। सो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू शेयर योर ब्रीफ स्टोरी कि आप कहाँ से हैं, आपने कैसे आपकी स्टडीज करी, क्या चैलेंजेस आए, ऐसी जो भी बातें हैं जो आपको लगता है कि दूसरे बच्चों को मोटिवेट करें, और अभी तक आपकी जर्नी आप एकदम क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में हमें बताइए।
Okay, then first of all, myself Astha Sharma, and basically I belong from Bhopal, MP, and I have done my masters. Also, I'm sorry, bachelor's from Institute for Excellence in Higher Education, and it's totally a big deal for me that I have done my bachelor's from that college also, as it's too far from my home too. And then secondly, when I got to know about TCS hirings, as I don't know that much about it, I got too curious that कि ये मतलब इतना big company है, name ही enough है अगर अप्लाई किया जाए तो और पता चले बाकी लोगों को, तो then I have got too much interest in it. एंड देन हमारे कॉलेज में एक प्रोग्राम हुआ था, यूथ एम्पावरमेंट प्रोग्राम, दैट इज होस्टेड बाय टीसीएस इटसेल्फ। एंड वहाँ पे हमें कम्प्लीटली जो हमारे ट्रेनर थे मोहम्मद अली सर, उन्होंने हमें बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट किया, कि कैसे उन्होंने हमें लाइक माइन्यूट माइन्यूट थिंग्स तक उन्होंने हमें सिखाई, लाइक हाउ टू गिव एन इंटरव्यू, हाउ टू सिट इन इट, and everything that needs to know us, and everything they teach us, वो हमेशा हम लोगों को वर्क ही करा है। हम लोगों ने जो इंटरव्यू दिया, इंटरव्यू में भी वही चीजें आई मोस्टली जो सर ने हमको बताई थी। देन हम लोगों ने एग्जाम दिया, वी सबमिट दैट फॉर्म, एंड देन वी गॉन टू गिव द इंटरव्यू अप्रोक्स 2 and 1 month बाद। हम लोगों ने लाइक दिसंबर में एग्जाम दिया था। We fill the form in November and we give the exam in December. And we got to know the results in approx February. That we got shortlist for the interview, and they will tell us the venue later. And then जब हम लोगों को इंटरव्यू का मेल जो होता है वो अप्रोक्स 2 days बिफोर आता है। And 2 days before, like my nearest TCS office is in Indore. So मैं वहां गई, वहां पे लाइक इंटरव्यू का जो रिपोर्टिंग टाइम होता है वो 9 AM होता है। दैट्स वाई अगर कोई दूर रहता हो तो उसको पहले ही वहां पे पहुंचना चाहिए, तो वो लाइक इजी पड़ता है। देन इंटरव्यू में बहुत क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन रिज्यूम, what we write in our resume they will ask about it only, and what we reply to the first question, the second question or next question will depend on our answer. So basically यही है कि जितना स्किल्स आता हो सिर्फ उतने ही स्किल्स उस पे मेंशन करें। लाइक दे विल नॉट से एनीथिंग इफ वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, दैट ऑल। Like I have selected from a smart hiring, then my interview has goes and then two after 1 month of it, I got my join offer letter in March, and then I accepted, and then in June I got an offer letter, revised offer letter. They mailed me a text that my offer letter got revised and I will get my joining soon. and it tells that my offer letter is divided, and I will got the revised offer letter soon. I got my revised offer letter in June, 22nd of June. And when I opened it, it is an upgradation. Like I got promoted in the Ignite batch. Uh, People got promoted in Ignite because if their interview is too good or they scored good marks in the Smart Hiring exam. Then I got promoted in Ignite, and then after that, I accepted that letter also. And then it takes a long in my joining also because of in Chennai there is flood, so the joining will be delayed. And after that, it's when the joining is nearer, they will held a POE post orientation that will help everyone to know what will they teach in Ignite, and they will get to know about Ignite, everything about Ignite, what are the facilities they are providing, everything. And it's very necessary, and they will give credit points also. And if someone didn't attend POEs sessions, then it's hard for them to come over here, and need to they think that everything is different. उनको कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता अगर वो पीओई सेशंस अटेंड ना करे तो, बिकॉज पीओईज इसेंशियल होते हैं, वहाँ पे वो कंप्लीट ओवरव्यू देते हैं.
So
तो
POE
लाइक
post offer engagement, right?
यस सर.
So जो आपकी ज्वाइनिंग से पहले और ऑफर के बीच में जो आपके असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं वो पीओई होते हैं, राइट? तो वो बहुत जरूरी होता है करना टू गेट द ज्वाइनिंग, राइट? देन ओनली यू गेट योर ज्वाइनिंग लेटर, इज इट? Okay,
यस.
wonderful, wonderful, Asta. So, Asta, very interesting. इग्नाइट हायरिंग का, स्मार्ट और इग्नाइट हायरिंग का आपका रिटर्न राउंड आपको कितना डिफिकल्ट लगा और उसके लिए आपने क्या प्रिपरेशन करी थी?
So first of all, for smart hiring contains only three parts, divided in three parts. It's verbal. Second is reasoning, and the third is one is mathematics. Maybe I won't remember a lot because it's too much time over it.
It's
So in
aptitude,
smart
apt-
hiring exam is a bit easy.
right, right. Go ahead. So it's
It's
aptitude,
a bit
reasoning,
easy.
and verbal communication. Yeah, it's
Yes, like smart hiring exam is a bit easy, and the Ignite exam is a bit complex because it contains the coding part also. It has four parts, and it contains the coding part also. So if someone is giving Ignite exam directly, then उसको preparation करना जरूरी है, coding part भी also. And then we have done the preparation through YouTube because it's easy. It's a bit easy. Someone can do it, can easily prepare for it if they are good in reasoning, and they will practice on a daily basis because अच्छा खासा टाइम मिलता है प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए. देन आप पहली बार में ही क्लियर कर लो, वो बहुत सही होता है, एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत अच्छी है अगर आप क्लियर कर लेते हैं तो.
पेपर का डिफिकल्टी लेवल कितना था आस्था?
So there is not that much difficulty. The questions are too easy. They are all are mathematical questions and blood relation questions. If we practice it, and we can done it in a week also, we can prepare in a week.
वंडरफुल. आस्था, रिटर्न के बाद आपको जो इंटरव्यू हुआ, तो इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? आपसे क्या पूछा गया, कौन से एरिया से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए और आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, उसके बारे में बताइए.
Firstly, my interview has gotten a Indore campus, TCS Indore campus, and I got interviewed by three of them. Like I haven't my interview has been divided in sections. The whole interview was taken in one cabin, and all have asked the question in the same cabin. So firstly, I got to know. Firstly, they asked me about my technical background. They asked from my resume that which languages and what kind of programming do I know, and then after according to that I answered. And then they asked me about basic computer knowledge, like do I know PowerPoint spreadsheets and all. And they asked simple questions about in each of topics. Like if I told MySQL, then they asked me about one question on it, and in Python they asked me two or three questions about it. So if we write it in our resume, then we have to prepare for it on a basic details. We have to prepare only the basic details, and they will ask only basics. And then my HR have take my interview as like they asked me about my CGPAs and percentage of my 10th, 12th, and my semesters. And according to that, they answered me questions like my about my study in college. And then on my hobbies, they asked me questions that why I haven't pursued my career in my hobbies also. And after that, they have a simple question that they ask to everyone, like why we have to join TCS, or and like why they hire us. They will. It's a mandatory question they ask to everyone. And in some of them, there is in every cabin they will ask some of questions. Like I got a question from HR that he told me to do a question of missing number, fill the missing number. And in my friend's cabin, they asked her about write the code. They give her a problem and they tell her to write a code on it. So they will ask this type of question to everyone also, and it depends like who asked you, a technical person or an HR. And that's a simple. And then at last they will give us simple conclusion of everything and describe about TCS, what they are offering, and about our location preference.
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल आस्था। सो आस्था, लाइक आप भोपाल से हैं, डेफिनिटली आपने जो आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ होगा, तो आपने जो आपकी प्रेफर्ड सिटी दी होगी वो कुछ इंदौर दी होगी या आसपास के ही आपने ऑफिसेस सिलेक्ट किए होंगे, लेकिन आपको चेन्नई मिला। ठीक है, तो चेन्नई आना भोपाल से, तो डेफिनेटली बीइंग अ गर्ल आपकी फैमिली ने आपको रोका होगा या सजेस्ट किया होगा कि नो यू शुड नॉट गो। So, and now you are finally into Chennai after joining the company. So, how was this experience convincing the family and, finally coming to Chennai?
Like when my parents got to know that I got shortlisted and I got my offer letter also. And I had explored many things about the Ignite program already, that what is Ignite, and what will they taught us, and what is everything. And when I got to know that I got that every candidate have to go, this is the first time I got out from the state. So my friends convinced my parents that कि यही तो है, मतलब टाइम आप भी नहीं जाने दोगे, आप तो फिर कब जाने दोगे. Like I'm the eldest daughter and I have a younger sister also. Like we are two sisters, so that's why they are got afraid of it. Then they convinced them and they get ready. And even they both haven't come to drop me here also because it's too tough for them.
Wonderful. So, Abhi, like you have joined in Chennai. So, this is your first company, and that too TCS, such a big company. So, आपको TCS में ज्वाइन करके, चेन्नई के इतने बड़े ऑफिस में ज्वाइन करके कैसा लग रहा है?
So firstly, the best thing is here that it's the office. Office is the best thing we have seen here. Like when we come to Chennai, we are just like while seeing the people, the place, everything, the food. We are just like, how can we survive our days there? We can't survive here for 4 months too. Then when we have seen the office, we are just like, we can stay here 24 by 7. We don't want to go the PGs.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Like there is every facility. Every facility is in the TCS office except the state.
Hmm.
Otherwise, they are providing everything.
वंडरफुल। आस्था, यूजुअली जो बच्चे होते हैं आजकल, जो कॉलेज में बच्चे जाते हैं, उन लोग का गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की तरफ काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रहता है और वो सोचते हैं कि प्राइवेट जॉब्स आर नॉट दैट गुड। आपने भी देखा होगा बच्चे गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की बहुत तैयारी करते हैं, एंड यू ऑल्सो कम फ्रॉम दैट बैच ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, और आपने गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में ना जाते हुए आईटी कंपनी में जाना चूज किया और अभी आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है। सो व्हाट इज हाउ आर यू feeling about it, and what is your message to all the students who think कि private jobs are not good?
So first thing, I think government and private jobs both are on the same scale. Like it's 2025 and the government is privatizing everything. So it's a big deal to do a government job also. Like in government jobs, people have gone years and years, but they won't get any job. In IT, if you have skills, so you have job. If you don't have degree, it's on your skills, only the skills. The companies are taking people who have skills only. And on the basis of skills, they are giving you money. That's why I prefer private job because if we have skills, then we will get the jobs earlier also. Before the graduation, also people got jobs in the in the IT sector also. As we see in BTech and BE in engineering, they got their jobs. They had jobs in their hand in the third year, and they got the job earlier also without their bachelor's.
Correct. So you mean to say, despite if you were given an option between government job and private job, you will still prefer private job, provided you have the
Yes,
skill,
sir.
right? Wonderful, Asta. I think this message goes so strong with the audience that if you have the skill, the world is behind you, and you have so many opportunities and so many growth career paths ahead compared to a government job. Wonderful, Asta.
Yes, sir.
So, Asta, I think it was very interesting to know about your entire journey. Any big challenge that you have faced in life so far that you would like to share with the audience and you have overcome in your life?
Like the biggest challenge is for me to stay here in Chennai. Like I have come out for the first time. Like everything is too different here,
Mm,
and but Chennai is too safe to live,
mm,
especially for girls also.
mm,
Chennai is too safe. We can walk here even in the midnight. There
mm.
is nothing can happen to us also.
Wonderful. So good, Astha. Astha, so what is your final message to your juniors and to the students who are doing BSc and who are thinking about their career? So what is the message you want to give them?
So I want to give the only thing is also that go for the smart hiring. And if you got selected in Ignite, then it's the best thing. Like you got the best mentors here, best TS here, teachers here, so that they made you like मतलब ये इतनी चीजें सिखाते हैं आपको कि आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के बराबर आप सारे काम करते हैं।
अच्छा।
लाइक किसी इंसान को बीटेक भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर उसने बीएससी भी किया है then that's also enough. And also one thing is also that if someone has from the Ignite batch, they will offer an MCA program also to the students. They can do flexible MCA by TCS.
Wonderful, Asa. I think that's a very powerful message that you still have equivalent opportunities as a BSc student if you go for the TCS Ignite hiring offer. Wonderful, Asta. एंड यस, तो जो बच्चों के दिमाग में एक ये कंफ्यूजन भी रहता है कि वो मास्टर डिग्री के लिए जाएं या जॉब करें, और इस हायरिंग से सिंस यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अ पैरेलल एमसीए, वो प्रॉब्लम भी आपका सॉल्व हो जाता है. So it was very nice interacting with you, Asta. I
Yes.
think your discussion with you and your thoughts, I think, will motivate a lot of people. So thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the best and all success in your journey ahead. Gonna
Thank you so much.
okay, okay, Asa, thank you so much.